Yeah, I think I would definitely recommend HA5 to people that are doing pavement preservation. I mean, I've recommended it to other people in other cities already, saying that what a great product it's been.
The biggest challenges right now are just the costs of doing business, cost of getting the process done, getting paving done, getting everything else.
And we're trying to be proactive and use the preventative maintenance and all the tools in the toolbox to maintain our asphalt as long as possible.
So if you don't put enough dollars in, then what ends up happening is the overall surface condition of the roads deteriorates over time. And as that surface area increases, your repairs become more and more and more expensive because you can no longer manage to get them back in good condition before they need a full reconstruct, which is tremendously expensive.
In the past, one of the challenges we had is the citizens did not like certain seal coats like slurry seal. They felt like it would slough off, it didn't have good appearance, it didn't wear well. And so council, through citizen feedback, had really kind of eliminated that as one of the pavement preservation tools in our toolbox. We were kind of stuck with mill and overlay and crack sealing, and not a lot of that intermediate maintenance and rehab.
And we found that that the best product for the subdivisions and the low density is the HA5 product, because it lasts forever. Not only does it last an extremely long time, we found that it lasts even up to 10 years without having to do anything.
If you can get into a pavement and preserve that pavement where it's starting to show problems, you can really stretch its life out. You spend $1 now. If you don't spend that $1 now, you'll be spending $9 in the future when water gets into it and it causes problems.
What preservation has allowed us to do, and especially with a high density mineral bond or the HA5, we have pushed the life of the road out probably 7 to 10 years.
High density mineral bond, you get a nice smooth finish. It's a clean application after it's installed, and the road looks like a brand new road for 5 to 7 years after it's completed.
A lot of the citizens feel like they got a brand new road, and people are saying, well, when's it going to be my turn for my street? My neighbor got a brand new road, we want to get ours in too. But the perception is that people are getting a brand new road, and it's not a mill and overlay, it's not a new road, it's just the treatment is that good and appears that new and wears really well over time in our experience.
So it goes with the thought that if you get on it early and you keep your good roads good, you can get 50 years of life out of them, and it really doesn't cost you that much.
We did a test road probably, I'm gonna say 10 years ago, maybe 8 to 10 years ago, and I just went in there yesterday and looked at it, and it still has not oxidized, no cracking.
Instead of 15, 20 years, you can get 20, 30 years before you have to do a major rehab, which is quite expensive, so especially in today's market. So HA5 has been tremendous to extend the life of the road.
We've gone all the way up to Utah to look at some of the roads that they put their product down, and that's over 10 years old, and it's still looking almost brand new compared to even a chip seal right next to it.
But the HA5 lets us get a surface treatment on those roads. It's cost effective, and it really, honestly, it gives the residents what they want. They want the new road, new black feel of the street.
I would recommend the HA5 to other counties or cities. We're going to try to implement more and more of that pavement preservation process in all of our subdivision pavement, so I definitely would.
I would definitely recommend HA5 to other local governments, but I would strongly encourage to make sure to reach out to existing local government who's using it and learn what's the best use for it. It's really good if you use it on the right locations.
You know, I would absolutely recommend HA5. I think that there are a lot of products that overpromise and underdeliver. And we have been using HA5 for over 10 years, maybe about 10 years. And what we found is that we find ourselves in a position where we're asking to put it on roads and being told, well, that's not a great place for it. So we'd actually like to do more.
Come look at our roads after this is done and take a look at the before and after. Look at them again in a year from now and then ask yourself, is the direction that we're going worth the time and effort in your community? I would say yes.
So I've had lots of experience with pavement preservation and pavement rehabilitation. And HA5 is probably the best application that we've ever used